In front of me is Honor View 20 and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to 1 hour. First of all, go into Play Store and get free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. When it's ready, open it. Then click OK in Welcome pop-up, tap on Timeout, and select 1 hour at the bottom. Then go into Tab menu. Following that, you need to click on this pen at the top right corner, scroll all the way down and locate Caffeine shortcut. When you find it, hold it and drag it to your current shortcuts. Place it wherever you want to, let go and hit Done at the bottom right corner. Lastly, just click on your new shortcut. As you can see, mine turned blue, which means that new sleep time is on. To switch it off, hit the same shortcut again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!